Watch me make $500 in 5 minutes using my rinse and repeat trading strategy. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed for a chance to enter our next giveaway. Also check the description for some valuable resources. Okay, so we are just a few minutes away from market opening. The market has just opened. I'm going to do what I always do, which is run a scan to see what fired on the daily time frame. I'm looking at the regular squeeze and the squeeze pro to see if I can find stocks that fired which have alignment. For example, Beyond fired short. It has a bearish histogram on all time frames. The EMAs are stacked, but not on the weekly. I would like for this to be stacked. So that's something I would just keep an eye on. Not something I would definitively trade because it's missing this red S. Going to go down to the Squeeze Pro, see if I find anything that has alignment. If I don't see alignment, I don't take a trade. Not seeing much right now, so then I go to the smaller time frames. So now I'm going to check the 4-hour. I see the SE fired long. It has bullish histograms and the EMAs are all stacked, so that's something I am interested in. SE is taking off. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade. Going to look at some calls because it did fire long. EMAs are stacked and the histogram is bullish. Looking at this week's calls. I'm buying it at a high right now, so I'm only going to get 5 contracts since this is kind of a chase. And I just got filled and I'm down a bit right now, so let's see what happens. For the SE trade, I've been down a bit, so I went and added 5 more contracts to lower my dollar cost average. So I'm in at 10 contracts now, and let's just see what happens. Okay, so my SE is now green. I'm up 10%. $350. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready and set my sell order. Okay, update on my SE trade. I'm up about 15%. That's $500. So I am definitely going to get ready to close this. And as you can see, I just closed my SE trade for a $500 profit. Remember, I found this trade by scanning for squeezes that have fired. I saw that SE fired. I watched it for a little bit. I saw that the histograms were all aligned and the EMAs were all stacked, and then I took a trade. Here is the SE alert. I put it in the server as soon as I entered and got filled. Let's see how members did on it. We have Gagan. He exited with $200. Johnny exited with $115. AJ made her money back. Thank you all for trading with me. See you next time.